HIC Kitchen's heat diffuser creates a flat cooking surface, reduces and distributes heat evenly, eliminates hot spots, and keeps foods from scorching. Made from stainless steel with removable plastic handle for compact storage, won't scratch surfaces, measures 8.25 by 15.75 inches. Absorbs and diffuses heat evenly for greater energy efficiency, eliminates hot pan and pot handles, safe for use on electric, gas, and glass stovetops. Slow simmer sauces and other foods without them scorching or boiling over. Helps balance smaller pots like butter warmers and espresso makers. Durable, lightweight and sturdy. Won't rust. Longer stay cool handle keeps hands safely away from heat. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. HIC's heat diffuser reduces heat from burners on electric, gas, and glass stovetops. Heat is distributed evenly to eliminate hot spots in pans and keep foods from scorching. It quickly creates a flat cooking surface to balance smaller pots, like butter warmers and espresso makers, and keeps pan handles from getting hot. Size to fit larger burners, it's perfect for simmering sauces and other foods slowly without them scorching or boiling over. Made from perforated stainless steel with stay-cool plastic handle, HIC's heat diffuser absorbs and diffuses heat evenly for better energy efficiency. It's durable, lightweight and sturdy, and it won't scratch surfaces or rust. The longer handle keeps hands safely away from heat and is easily removed for compact storage. Measures 15.75 inches long, and 8.25 inches in diameter. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Cook rice without burning. We moved into our new house about 3 years ago. It came with a gas stove that does not have a simmer setting on any of the burners. In my previous house, one of the burners could set to simmer, and it worked great for things like rice or vegetables that you wanted to cook a long time. You could also use it to melt butter and chocolate without scorching. Since I moved to this house, I stopped being able to cook rice. I used to be able to cook it fine, but now it either scorches on the bottom or it's too wet because I have to turn the burner off too early. Last night I used my new simmer plate for the first time. It worked to perfection. It took a little longer than normal for the water to boil, but then I was able to turn the burner to low and cook the rice for the amount of time I used to cook rice. It turned out perfectly. So happy. Now I can go back to melting butter on the stove instead of in the microwave. It's a bright shiny metal, and I expect it will darken with use. This doesn't concern me, but I thought I'd mention it. I got this one because a lot of the others have a hole in the middle, and I was concerned that would create a hot spot.